So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and then type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service, then click on W on your keyboard. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down until we find WLAN auto config. You want to right click on it and then click on properties and then change the startup type to automatic and then click on start and then click on OK. Now once you've done that, you want to right click on it again and then click on restart. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and then type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to take a note of your Wi-Fi adapter name right here, and then you want to head over to search again and then type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to expand network adapters, and then you want to find your network adapter. So here it is with the same name. You want to right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best drivers for your device have been installed. Now for the next method, if that's still not working, then you want to right click on your network adapter and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. And then once you uninstall it, you want to click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And then it will appear again. And it will connect again. If that's still not working, you want to right click on your network adapter, click on properties, and then you want to untick allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and click on OK. Now for the last method, if that's still not working, you want to head over to search and then type in system configuration. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on the services tab, and then you want to click on disable all and click on apply. Then you want to click on enable all and then click on apply and click on OK. And now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.